Need cash fast? Here are 5 easy ways. Did you know that some people are making upwards of $10,000 per month online, all from the comfort of their own homes? It's true, we live in a digital age where making money online is easier than ever, but what about those times when you need cash? Life throws curveballs, am I right? Unexpected car repairs, a surprise medical bill, or maybe you just want to treat yourself to something nice without feeling guilty. Whatever your reason, sometimes you need a quick influx of cash to bridge the gap. That's why, in this video, I'm going to share 5 easy ways you can make money quickly. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. These are legitimate methods that anyone can use to pad their bank account. So, stick around, hit that like button, and let's dive in. Freelancing is one of the most accessible ways to make money online, and the best part is you can start making money almost immediately. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or make freelancing your full-time job, the opportunities are vast and varied. Think about it. What skills do you have that other people might be willing to pay for? It could be anything from writing, graphic design, web development, to even more niche skills like voice acting or video editing. Are you a great writer? Do you have a knack for crafting compelling stories or informative articles? Offer your services as a freelance writer for websites, blogs, or even social media. Good with graphics? Maybe you have an eye for design and can create stunning visuals. Become a freelance graphic designer and create logos, social media content, or even website designs. The digital world is your canvas. The possibilities are truly endless. From marketing to programming, there's a demand for almost every skill imaginable. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru connect freelancers with clients all over the world. These platforms make it easy to find work and get paid securely. My advice, start by creating a profile that highlights your skills and experience. Make sure to include a professional photo and a detailed description of what you offer. Don't be afraid to show off your personality. Clients want to work with someone they connect with. A little bit of charm can go a long way. Next, browse through the available jobs and submit proposals for projects that interest you. Tailor each proposal to the specific job, and make sure to highlight your relevant experience and skills. Be sure to tailor your proposals to each specific job, highlighting why you're the best fit for the project. Personalization shows that you've put thought into your application. And remember, pricing is key. Setting the right price can make or break your freelancing career. Research what other freelancers in your niche are charging and set your rates accordingly. Competitive pricing can help you land your first few gigs. You can always adjust your rates as you gain more experience. As you build your portfolio and receive positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates. Freelancing takes hustle, but it can be incredibly rewarding. The freedom to choose your projects and clients is a significant advantage. You get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and work from anywhere in the world. Imagine working from a beach or a cozy mountain cabin. Plus, there's nothing quite like the feeling of seeing your hard work pay off in the form of cold, hard cash. The satisfaction of earning through your skills is unparalleled. Okay, this next one might require you to take a look around your house and do a little digging, but trust me, it's worth it. You might be surprised at how much value is hidden in the corners of your home. We all have stuff lying around that we don't use anymore. Clothes that no longer fit, electronics gathering dust, books we've already read. These items, though seemingly insignificant, can add up to a substantial amount of money. Instead of letting these items take up valuable space, why not turn them into cash? It's a simple way to declutter and make some extra money. Online marketplaces like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist make it easier than ever to sell your unwanted items. These platforms have millions of users, increasing your chances of finding a buyer quickly. First things first, gather up everything you're willing to part with. This might take some time, but it's an essential step in the process. Be honest with yourself. If you haven't used it in 6 months, you probably don't need it. Sentimental value can be tricky, but practicality should take precedence. Once you have your items, it's time to take some high-quality photos. Clear, well-lit images can make a huge difference in attracting potential buyers. Good lighting is key, and multiple angles will give potential buyers a better idea of what they're getting. Think of it as creating a mini photo shoot for your items. Next, write a detailed description of each item, including its condition, any flaws, and any other relevant information. The more information you provide, the more confident buyers will feel. Be honest and upfront. You don't want to deal with returns or negative feedback. Transparency builds trust and can lead to positive reviews. Now it's time to set your price. This can be tricky, but it's crucial to get it right. Again, research is your friend. Look at what similar items are selling for and use that as a benchmark. Check out what similar items are selling for and price yours competitively. Remember, you can always adjust your price later if you're not getting any bites. You can always adjust your price later if you're not getting any bites. Flexibility is key in the selling process. Selling your unused items is a win-win. You get to declutter your space and make some extra cash in the process. Plus, it's environmentally friendly to give your items a second life. It's a great way to clear out the old and make room for the new. So start today and see how much you can earn from things you no longer need. Have you ever wished you could get paid for your opinion? Imagine turning your thoughts and feedback into a source of income. Well, guess what? You can. And it's easier than you might think. Online surveys are a quick and easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Whether you're at home, on the go, or just relaxing, you can participate. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback to improve their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your insights. Your opinions help shape the future of products you use every day. There are tons of legitimate survey websites out there like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars. These platforms are trusted by millions of users worldwide. These platforms connect you with market research companies looking for participants for their surveys. They act as a bridge between you and the companies eager to hear your thoughts. Signing up is usually free and easy. Simply create a profile and answer a few questions about yourself and your interests. This helps match you with the most relevant surveys. Once you're all set up, you'll start receiving survey invitations that match your demographic. These invitations will come directly to your email or app notifications. Keep in mind that not every survey will be a perfect match, and you might not qualify for every survey you attempt. But don't get discouraged. Persistence is key. The more surveys you complete, the more money you'll make. It's a numbers game, and consistency pays off. Most survey websites offer points or cash rewards that you can redeem for gift cards, PayPal cash, or even direct deposits to your bank account. The choice is yours. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your earnings grow and being able to treat yourself or save up for something special. While you won't get rich taking online surveys, it's a great way to earn some passive income while you're watching TV, waiting in line, or even just taking a break from work. It's a productive use of your downtime. Plus, it's a fun way to share your thoughts and opinions and potentially make a difference in the world. Your feedback can lead to better products and services for everyone. So why not give it a try? Start sharing your opinions today and see how rewarding it can be. The gig economy has exploded in recent years, and for good reason. It offers flexibility, independence, and the opportunity to earn money on your own terms. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash on the side or transition to a full-time gig economy career, there's something out there for everyone. One popular option is ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft. If you have a car and a clean driving record, you can set your own hours and earn money by driving people around your city. Another option is food delivery services like DoorDash, Grubhub, or Uber Eats. Deliver food from local restaurants to hungry customers and get paid per delivery. If you're handy around the house, consider offering your services on platforms like TaskRabbit or Handy. From assembling furniture to mounting TVs, there's always a demand for skilled individuals. And if you're a pet lover, why not become a dog walker or pet sitter through apps like Rover or Wag? You can set your rates, choose your clients, and get paid to hang out with furry friends. The gig economy offers endless possibilities, and the best part is you're in control. You choose when, where, and how you want to work. Are you a whiz at math? A grammar guru, a history buff? If so, you can turn your knowledge into cash by tutoring or teaching online. Online learning platforms like Chegg Tutors, TutorMe, and Schooly connect students with qualified tutors in a variety of subjects. You can set your own hours, work from anywhere with an internet connection, and earn a decent hourly rate. Another option is to create and sell your own online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific make it easy to package your knowledge into online courses that you can sell to students around the world. This option requires more upfront work, but it can also be more lucrative in the long run as you earn passive income from each course sale. Whether you prefer one-on-one tutoring or creating comprehensive online courses, sharing your knowledge is a rewarding way to make money and help others at the same time. So there you have it, 5 easy ways to make money fast. Whether you choose to freelance, sell unused items, take online surveys, dive into the gig economy, or share your knowledge through tutoring or teaching, there's an option out there for everyone. Remember, these methods are accessible to almost anyone, and they have the potential to generate some serious cash. The key is to take action, be consistent, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these methods are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips and strategies. Until next time, keep hustling.